Shop Talk. We're looking at that 575 XP chainsaw. That's in the 75cc range. Very professional saw made for the big wood. This one has a little bit of bearing noise. It may need to be rebuilt. I'm going to sell it for parts or repair, so be aware of that. This one features a 24-inch bar and chain. That is a sprocket nose. That is a chisel bit, full comp, meaning more teeth, chain, 3/8 pitch. And we'll look at some of the features it has. Kill switch right on top, choke is on the bottom. Wrap handlebars, working chain brake, large quiet tone muffler, and 2 falling spikes. Chain tensioner right here, loosen the 2 bar nuts up right on the sides of tensioner. If you're looking for those big XP chainsaws, Husqvarna, here's one.